it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is a hair tutorial using the Pretty Party Pony extension. Here we are. I've already done one video on it. I'm going to do another one and I'm going to show you not only how to use it, but how to use two of them if you have thick hair like I do, and I'm using two of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, let's take this off. Let's rewind, and I will show you what my crazy mane looks like after it's been washed. All right, guys, so this is what my hair looks like when I do nothing to it. So I've washed it. I just have a little bobby pin. I've washed it. I let it air dry up in a bun. And this is the mane that I have. So it's a lot of hair. So I want to show you how I go about doing the Pretty Party Pony, which is the Ruby. That's the one that I use, and it's in the color Medium Auburn. So when I did my first video, if you haven't seen it, I will list it here. I told you that I have really thick hair and I really needed two of them. Thin hair, not so much. Thick hair, you definitely need it because you want to cover the amount of hair that you have, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you how I go ahead and do it, and what I've also learned in having it for a while now, and you see the last few videos that I've done. I've worn it. I love it. It's super simple to create. Like, I just have my hair in a ponytail. I throw that in and boom, I'm out the door. I mean, it's so great. Because it is synthetic hair, you cannot curl it. So if you want like super curly or something like that, it's not gonna happen. It just has a natural curl to it, but it's a really slight curl. So let me go ahead and take the new one out and we'll see how it compares. Okay. Oh, so pretty. And so you could see this is the new one. This is the one that I've been using for a while, and I'd say it's held up pretty good. I made the mistake of trying to curl it, not realizing you can't curl synthetic hair. Yeah, not the brightest egg, am I? So let me go ahead and get this off here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, and I love this color. I'm actually going to see my hair colorist for the first time since this whole pandemic's happened. I just need a trim, and I'm going to have her put a whole color wash to match this because the top matches really, really well. It's the ends that do not. And then look at my gray roots again showing. Brush my hair. And again, I have a lot. It's super thick, y'all. It's just not long. I mean, I guess it's all relative, right? So I'm just gonna make a very slick back pony. What I love about this is I very rarely wear my hair down in the summer. I live in Texas in this heat and humidity. I can't take it. So the only thing I have in my hair is a little Paul Mitchell Super Skinny to keep it from, you know, literally being 3 times as big. So I'm going to take a hair tie, and for me, I know that I'm going to need to do it 3 times, which is really super hard because I have super, super thick hair. So I've got to get this all through here. Okay, so hair is in a ponytail, and you can see it's just super, super thick, and but not long. You know, here we are. Not long at all. Now, my roots are showing because it is going to be very close to being time to do my roots again. So I use the L'Oreal Root Touch-Up, and I'm just gonna give it a little squeeze just around the perimeter. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 ponies in and show you the difference. I think if you haven't seen my first video, the thing about the pony is there is a wire that goes all the way from here to here. So I'd say probably about 18 inches, and then the rest of the pony. So you could see that this is, you can manipulate the wire in any fashion, but just know that it's there. But the benefit is, one, it's really super to put in your hair. Two, it's really easy to just wrap it around. But also it can, like if you want it out a little, you can pop it out. I mean, if you want a bump, you can make a bump. So there's a lot of things, but just know that it will be there, you know, that wire. So, and the other thing is you can make it your pony as long or short as you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and I just put it in right in front and through. So you see here is the pony, right? So then I am going to just put that one through, and then I'm gonna take the other one right here, and I'm gonna put it through, same way. And now I have both of them here. And I wanna make sure, you don't have to have them the exact same length by any means. So I'm gonna take the first one and just pull it a little bit more than the other one. And then I'm gonna twist these two together. Okay, so I have those together. I'm gonna take the ponytail extension and put it up over my head, and then I'm gonna take and wrap the extension around my ponytail. So now I have the two wires. I can feel them right here. So you can have one on each side, so you can really get a nice, so I wanna get my ponytail under all of this beautiful, wow, that's a lot. Now for me, I love wearing the ponytail on the side, and you can see how much more hair this is than the first one? Gorgeous, it's so pretty. So you can pull the wire up, so see, you can really make a bump if you want. You know, you can go as crazy as you want. Like, I like height. I'm a Texas girl. Give me big hair. Actually, I'm a California girl, but I live in Texas. So, you can really get a lot of height. If you don't, you see, you just move it flat down and then just pull it to the side so you can have a super slick pony. Now, the thing that I like is, now I like it up a little bit, so we're gonna do a little bump. So the other thing that I love, if you're going to the pool and you don't want to get your hair wet, the beautiful thing is you can literally just take your pony and take it up, and then because of the wire, watch this, you guys. It's so simple. Because of the wires, you can literally make a bun. You literally need one bobby pin, and boom, you have like this gorgeous, look at this. It's like a Grecian, it's like literally a Grecian bun. How beautiful is that? Then you want to take it down, you're out of the pool, you're done. You take that little bobby pin out, and then you just unwrap your pony, straighten it out, put it back to the side, and boom. Right? I love this thing. This is the best invention ever. See, super easy, right, you guys? And I love it. And if you want it shorter, all you do is pull it through. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you how you do that. It's so simple. So I have these both here twisted together. So I'm gonna untwist them. I'm trying to look in the mirror and everything is backwards. Okay, so I'm gonna pull one a little more through, and then the other one a little more through. And again, now we have them right here, right? And we have the pony here. So we're gonna put it back, tilt it. Gonna keep these two together and just wrap around and give a nice little squeeze. And they're camouflaged so beautifully. You'll never see the wire, ever. And now we have a shorter pony. See? Gorgeous, right? So it's just so super simple to do. There's another way to do it as well. So like, it's crazy, right? So you can bring those forward, okay? So that you can have the pony, so you can really look like you have super long hair, even though you don't. So you can see that all I've done is split it, and so then the back, you want to make sure that your hair, because it's shorter, is tucked in the little, and you just turn the, there we go. So super cute. Now I personally like it on the side. That's just how I like it, and I like the bump. A flexible rod that's in there, or whatever it is, that allows you to really maneuver it. So if you want to, you know, really make that bump stand out, stand up, you can, and it gives you volume. So if you like a lot of volume at the top, which is what I do like, then you can do that. All right, guys, so that's it for my hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love I'm completely obsessed with these ponytail extensions because they're so easy, and literally it's a super cute hairstyle in 5 seconds flat, and there's just so much you can do with it. And just to let you know, again, I just have to reiterate because I wish somebody would have told me, because I could have saved money. So if you buy one, if you have thick hair, so if your hair is like mine, even if it's short, but you have thick hair, you're gonna wanna get 2 of them. And they do have a special where you buy one, you get one half off, and you could still use my coupon code. So that's amazing. I bought them at 2 separate times, so I didn't get that deal. So I want you to have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.